Every year on June 21st, cities and towns across France, and increasingly around the world, come alive with the sound of music during the Fête de la Musique, also known as World Music Day. This unique festival, which translates to Festival of Music, is a celebration that invites musicians of all genres and skill levels to perform in public spaces. The event transforms streets, parks, squares, and even remote corners into stages, creating a vibrant and inclusive atmosphere. The Fête de la Musique was established in 1982 by France's Ministry of Culture, spearheaded by then-Minister Jacques Lang. The festival was born from the idea of making music accessible to everyone and encouraging amateur and professional musicians to share their art with the public. It was inspired by the traditional French festival of St. John's Day, a celebration that included music and bonfires. The choice of June 21st was significant. It is the day of the summer solstice, the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere, symbolizing light, warmth, and the beginning of the summer season. This date allows for extended daylight hours, making it ideal for outdoor performances. Since its inception in France, the Fête de la Musique has grown into a global phenomenon. Today, it is celebrated in over 120 countries and more than 700 cities worldwide. Each location adapts the festival to its own cultural context, while maintaining the spirit of inclusivity and accessibility that defines the event. From New York to Beijing, Berlin to Buenos Aires, the Fête de la Musique has become a symbol of international musical unity. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Fête de la Musique is its inclusivity. Unlike many music festivals, there are no barriers to entry. Musicians of all ages, genres, and levels of experience are encouraged to participate. This creates a diverse and eclectic mix of performances, from classical ensembles and jazz bands to rock groups and electronic DJs. The festival's performances take place in a wide variety of venues. Traditional stages are set up in public squares and parks, but many musicians choose to perform in more unconventional locations, such as street corners, balconies, rooftops, and even boats. This approach breaks down the formal barriers between performers and audiences, fostering a sense of community and spontaneity. The Fête de la Musique is more than just a series of concerts. It is a community event that brings people together. Local businesses often get involved by sponsoring performances or providing spaces for musicians. Residents and visitors alike are encouraged to explore their cities, discover new music, and interact with their neighbors. The festival creates a festive, inclusive atmosphere that emphasizes the joy of live music and collective celebration. In Paris, the birthplace of the festival, the Fête de la Musique is celebrated with great enthusiasm. Iconic locations such as the Place de la Bastille, the banks of the Seine, and Montmartre become bustling hubs of musical activity. The city's rich musical heritage is on full display, with performances ranging from classical recitals in historic churches to avant-garde electronic sets in trendy neighborhoods. New York City adopted the festival in 2006, and it has since become a major event on the city's cultural calendar. Known as Make Music New York, the festival features thousands of free concerts across the city's 5 boroughs. Highlights include mass performances, such as hundreds of guitarists playing together in Union Square and impromptu jam sessions in Central Park. Berlin, a city renowned for its vibrant music scene, fully embraces the Fête de la Musique. The festival reflects the city's diverse musical landscape, with performances covering genres from techno and hip-hop to classical and experimental music. Venues range from public parks and urban squares to the city's famous clubs and underground spaces. The Fête de la Musique has a profound impact on communities and the music world at large. It democratizes music, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of socioeconomic status. It also provides a platform for emerging artists to showcase their talents and gain exposure. The festival fosters a sense of community and cultural exchange, bringing people together through the universal language of music. The Fête de la Musique is a celebration of music's power to unite and inspire. It transforms ordinary spaces into stages, invites everyone to participate, and fosters a spirit of joy and inclusivity. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a casual listener, the Fête de la Musique offers a unique opportunity to experience the magic of live music in a communal setting. As the festival continues to grow and evolve, it remains a testament to the enduring appeal of music as a fundamental human experience.